Hi, I'm Steven with Wire Ninjas, and today we're going to be showing you how to install a speaker connector on a speaker wire the proper way. Strip the outer jacket back. Slow and controlled, don't nick the copper. Next, cut the pull string clean. Strip the conductor ends about an inch, clean strip, no missing strands. Twist the strands tight so they fit the speaker snap, no frays. Here's the speaker snap. Keep the polarity consistent. Seat each conductor fully into its slot. Snap it closed all the way, no gaps. Pull test. Quick visual check. No exposed copper. That's how Wire Ninjas terminate speaker wire. Clean work, built right, built once. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.